How to write prompt on GhibliArt AI. If you want to write a prompt on GhibliArt, then follow these instructions. First, make sure you have connected to internet. After that, open up any browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in GhibliArt AI. You'll see this home page, and this is the official website of GhibliArt AI. And on the top right corner, you'll see the sign in option. Click on sign in. Now you can continue with your Google ID if you have signed up with your Google account. If not, you can type in your credentials on this field and click on sign in. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up option to create a new account. Now log into your account. After you are logged into your account, you can see your profile icon on the top right corner. If you click on it, you'll see other details of your profile. Now to write a prompt, click on this try for free option and you'll be loaded to this page. Here on this side you can see different options. On this first field, click on this upload option and choose a file that you want to create a GhibliArt to. And to write prompt, you can see this field here. Type in the message that you want to create on your picture. For an example, you can see this drawn the image into Ghibli style, and you can also write other prompt like this here. After that, click on this generate Ghibli image. So this is how you write a prompt on GhibliArt AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.